Hi, this is Kim Wright Siebel with your update for 2022. So instead of just doing what happened in December of 2022, I thought I'd recap the entire year for you, kind of what happened in real estate this year as far as kind of like new listings, pendings, closed sales. What was the story of all of 2022? So if you look on here, we've got new listings. They were down 11.9% for the year. Pended sales down 18.7% for the year. Closed sales down 16.1% for the year. This is just a year-to-date, year-over-year. So from 2021 to 2022. You can see days on market until the sale, 0% change. The median sales price, interesting. We see our first positive, plus 9.7%. So the median sales price of a home in the Richmond area, $351. Listen to me, $351,000. Wouldn't that be nice? All right, you're going to also see then the average sales price, $406,233. That is up 11.6%. So remember, difference between median and average. This is back to our middle school math. Median is going to be right in the middle. If you take 100 houses, it's what's at that number 50. So right in the middle, where's the sales? So the average tends to include all the outliers. If we have like a $10 million house sell in the market, it's going to really skew the numbers upwards, right? So that median is kind of really where most of the homes are being sold. You'll see the percent of original list price received to 102.6%, which means that homes sold 2.6 on average over what the list price was. And that was just a 0.2% difference. So one of the things to keep in mind, and we've talked about this in a lot of these calls, which is on the 2021, our numbers were so up and so high that there is just a natural down. Now, was the market slower in 2022? Yes, and it shows that there were less new listings, less sales, of course, then less closed sales, which follows, right? If you don't have the homes on the market, they can't sell. But you can see the days on market, not really affected. And you can see the prices. Were those affected? Nope, they weren't. They were actually up still a little bit. So what does this mean for 2023? That is a great question. I wish I had a little magic ball to tell you. I am next week going to be doing a Facebook Live on just this thing, so you might want to tune into that. But what I did was I went online. We have what's called a market watch for realtors, which tells me what's happened in the last 7 days in our MLS system. That's our multiple listing service system where agents put in listings and we track what's pended, what's sold, and we can kind of see all the comparable properties. And interesting, so new listings in the last 7 days, we had 342. Homes are still being listed. We had 386 that pended. We had 204 that did a price decrease, 40 that did a price increase. Just scratch my head on that one a little bit. If I looked at how many sold, 246 actually just sold in the last 7 days. Homes that expired or released, there were 90 of them. So we are seeing more homes, releasing, coming back off the market. Again, so important to have the right agent with the right strategy for that moment. If we have agents that are using strategies from 6 months ago, home's not going to move. You need to have a strategy that works for right now. So what I'm seeing is that homes that are coming on the market, that are well prepared and that are well priced, are selling for a strong price, maybe right at the listing price, but good pricing. And we're seeing kind of days on market still. I feel like if a home is on the market for about a week, unless it's like in an area where we know it takes longer to sell, most often it's selling within a week. You have an offer. So homes are still selling well. So hopefully this is helpful. Like I said, I am going to be doing a Facebook Live next week, going over more of the 2023 outlook and kind of what you can expect for the market and our kind of best guess on where we think this market is headed. So excited about that. Hopefully this is helpful. Always give me a call if you want to know more. My phone number is 804-539-7524. Have a great day.